Friends, Running Kimono here. So we are looking at the best paper deals over at Walgreens until Saturday, October the 11th. And a lot of us are trying to stock up on paper right now. If you have extra Walgreens cash or register rewards and you're like, I don't know what to do with it, I think this is the most sensible and reasonable purchase right now. Now I'm going to let you guys know that first thing this morning in one of my email accounts, I got this earn $5 in Walgreens cash on your next transaction, meaning you can buy anything. If you remember a couple weeks back, certain accounts were getting a similar one. It's not loadable as of yet, but it seems like it's peeking through. So keep an eye on your digital coupons folder as the week marches on, because you might be able to load this magic a little later today. Okay, so the first deal we're going to look at is with the $4.99 Bounty, Charmin, and Puffs products that have this tag. This, unfortunately, is not part of the spend 30, earn back a $10 register reward. It's on its own deal, which is a $5 register reward when you buy 4 of these. These are the lesser tier paper products, so it is Charmin Essentials or the Bounty Essentials, not the green label or the red and blue labels, if you know what I'm talking about. It is like a second tier paper product. Still can get the job done in a pinch, but it's not like the top tier stuff if you like really fancy paper products. Unfortunately, we don't have digital coupons to go with this, but grabbing 4 of these, it's going to be $19.96. Now, if you might have register rewards, say from the Garnier deal or the Palmolive deal or Colgate deal, you could throw those in right now, no problems. But if you don't, $19.96, get back a $5 register reward. It would make it $14.96 for the 4 or $3.74 per unit. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster, but really, if you might have register rewards to throw into the mix, like really nice ones, I certainly would, so you can get a lesser out of pocket, because $19.96 is a bit extreme in my book. The next deal that we're going to look at is with the Angel Soft, Brawny, and Quilted Northern. $3 reward when you buy 2 of them at $6.99 a pop. Now, you absolutely can mix and match these, and check out your Checkout 51 account in case you might have rebates there. Make sure you load them before you do the transaction, because that's the only way you'll be able to get the rebate. But say grabbing 2 of the Brawnies, there is a smaller 2-pack, but they are very sizable paper towels. That would be $13.96. Subtracting $1.50 in digitals, there's a 50-cent and $1 for those. You'd pay $12.48, get back a $3 register reward, making it $9.48 for the 2 or $4.74 per unit. If you're doing this deal with no booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash. Spend it to earn it. Fantastic. There's also larger packs of the Angel Soft and the Quilted Northern, which is a very good brand. I know a lot of you really enjoy that. Whatever you want to do for this one. And the next deal in store is with the spend 30 on P&G, earn back 10. Charmin is in fact part of this, along with Bounty. Look for items that have a tag, or alternatively, if you scan the UPC in the app, does it show that it's part of the spend 45, earn back 15? If it is in fact part of it, it's actually gonna show up for part of the spend 30, earn back 10 in store. So I kind of worked it out to get, I believe, 4 or 5 of these $4.99 products, whatever you want to do, a mix and match or what have you, and then one $12.99 Charmin. And I'm sorry, I don't have a picture for it. It is a 9 equals 36, so you're getting these large rolls, and see how it says spend 45, blah, blah. So I know it's going to work in store, and that's how we're getting it to work. Or like, how are you getting this info? That's how. So grabbing 4 of the $4.99 products, and you can mix and match the Charmin and the Bounty. It's $19.96. And then we're going to grab 1 Charmin, that larger pack, for $12.99. The total here is $32.95. You're going to get back a $10 register reward for spending $30. Maybe ask the cashier, is that machine printing out those paper coupons today? Just so there's no surprises at checkout. It's $22.95 for the 5 units, or $4.59 per. If you have any register rewards from Garnier, Colgate, whatever, throw it in so it's a lesser out of pocket. If you're doing this deal with no booster, yes, you can use a little bit of Walgreens cash to pay down the balance up to $20. That's it for this video, guys. As always, thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.